Hey everyone, I'm going out trying to find rye bread. Oh, we love rye bread. Now Dave's, they make a rye bread. Very expensive. It's not the traditional rye bread that we like. And sure enough, Petridge Farm makes their rye bread. Again, not the rye bread we like. And there is a rye bread that we are using. It's called Beefstake rye bread. Sure enough, the place I just went to, they don't have it. Sold out. They got Levi rye bread, and the rye bread is quite small. I like eating cinnamon bread by Pepperidge Farm, the swirl, and used to get like, let's say 20 pieces in there. Now you get like 10. Really, really small. I'm not sure what's happening in this world, how we trying to make those sizes smaller and smaller and charge more and more. So I got 2 more stores to go to. I'm going to go to another Stop and Shop or whatever in a different location and see if they got beefsteak rye bread. There's no bakery here that I can get rye bread anymore. The real rye bread at a bakery. Oh boy, those days are gone. What do you like? And what can you not get anymore that's at your local stores? Post down below. So right now I got some nasty looking clouds up ahead. Dark. Not super dark. Dark enough to be a storm. 112131. We can go now. Many people don't like stopping. Look at this car. That's a nice car. But down the road is my rye bread, and I ain't gonna make this light. Why rush it? I think what I am going to do is, be careful, face my camera, hold it like so, and go down the bread aisle, show you the breads we have. So many different types of breads. But yeah, we have a good bread. And I haven't had a good bread in years. Even the bagels, they're not like they used to be. Too much air pumped into bread. They found a way because the wheat, the flour skyrocketed over 10 years ago, and today, forget about it. Just forget about it. Universe Marketplace. I asked these people right here, have any rye bread? No. So I give up trying to go for rye bread. Panera bread, they're not going to have rye bread. They're going to have their own bread. Yeah, that's life, trying to get rye bread.